So the last couple of things in the web services are snapshots. And what a snapshot is you can save a version of your current, what your project currently is, and then you can continue to work on it. And then when you reach like a milestone or kind of like a stopping point, save another version. Basically, it's as you go, you can save a version of your project and then resave it as you go, so you have the ability to backtrack and go back to an earlier version of your project. And to do that, you just want to, save a snapshot. So you might do something like, as soon as the screenplay is finished, you might, save a snapshot. And there you go. And then as soon as you were done, the next thing you were done, maybe you've, added a bunch of items to your project library and they're ready to start casting. You might save another snapshot ready for casting, and then once you do cast, you might save a snapshot called cast, and so on and so on. So you get the idea, and this is optional. And you can also download or delete any of your snapshots. The next option is inbox, and I don't have anything here because I just created this account. But what this is, if you get invited to other projects, people that know your Celtx username and maybe are inviting you to projects, this is where you would see that kind of notification in here. And then the next option is profile, and you can just fill out some information about yourself that will appear, be linked to your Celtx username, and there's a lot of stuff right here you can fill out. And it also lets you fill out the basic information that you filled out when creating an account. You can change that or add to it. So that is basically all the web services that Celtx offers.